Previously on Adventure Aquarium.
Boy, do you like this? We are on our way to... Where are we going, guys? Mommy, I want to go to Adventure Aquarium. And I said, what? I'll bring you on your birthday. Really?
Yeah.
Now, Bob is also our oldest resident here at Aquarium.
Rabbi, look.
Young for too.
How do you make them laugh? Shop. There's no gift shop, Ayan. Enough. No, I said I know there's a gift shop, but nothing for you guys to buy. Okay? What is this? Oh, the showটা দেখতে কি দেখা যায়? এখানে একটা শো হয় বোধহয়, হিপোর শো হয় নাকি? So much attitude. Dude.
Yeah, this is a different lizard.
Would you mind?
Oh, hi.
Would you mind to not do a
এগুলি পালা যায়. You want guys want one? No. কিছু করবে না. We'll stand there. I'll take picture. Oh, right there.
parrot? No parrots talking.
Not in good mood right now. Oh, I just saw someone throw something on the water. Look how big this is. Oh my god. Look how big they are. Flying? They're not flying. Hungry hippos. The hungry hippos. But see, they're vegetarian, but they're still big. So it has nothing to do with what you eat. Right? Oh, but you're shaking me and the camera's shaking. I left you, sorry.
These ladies are hunted for their back ivory, which is in their tusks. The ivory is actually much
You're in people's way though.
more highly prized than elephant ivory.
I don't want to be in people's way.
Elephant ivory, behind the scenes here, where that big
Actually, you don't eat them, which is nice.
there's a whole other exhibit back there. Same amount of land, same amount of water back there. So she says Jenny operator, Jenny is a little less timid and maybe less intelligent than our beautiful bunny. So Jenny's perfectly happy to go first. But they actually have had
She's coming right here. Let me see.
every day to go a little take care of them. It's never just going to be for fun. So sometimes we'll use their behaviors for fun and attention.
So big.
I want to eat like some
You know, the very reason is they need to be able to touch their teeth. And all wild animals, so practicing every single day.
That was too tough.
I hope you guys have a great rest of your afternoon here at the aquarium.
Comes here.
Bye-bye.
bouncing. They bounce or
They're
run
walking.
around. They just bounce and run around the.
Yeah,
That's how
you
they
see
run.
them swimming? They're so heavy. How they gonna swim? Oh, look at this. Look at their skin.
And their butt.
It rains. You'll see streams running down our streets. This is called stormwater runoff. You can just imagine if it gets mixed in with the rainwater. Dirt, toxic chemicals, organizers, pesticides.
Look how close they are. Moving hand. What are you doing? Oh, what kind of fish is this? Looks like a human. I told you we have people look like this. This is an eel. Ooh. This eel looks like a real person.
That's a dolphin.
Look. I told you there are people that look like fish. That's a derogatory statement.
You mean fish that look like
So
people?
sorry. Fish looks like people.
This is a wolf eel.
Something that I need to take a picture of. Whoa. You have something to say. I took a picture. Stop. Hey. Looks like a person. You'll see, look, the starfish is there. You'll see a sponge there somewhere.
Patrick! Patrick, it's fine. We found it from Patrick.
Sure.
Squidward.
Look at the tentacle.
Okay, where's Sandy and Squidward? He would not be here.
See Squidward?
Yeah, and this one, what about this? SpongeBob. Where's
That's right.
SpongeBob?
I see Patrick. You see SpongeBob?
No.
Somewhere there.
I see a mermaid, Patrick.
But I want this to turn around.
I see a mermaid, Patrick.
Rabbi Sandy shoots you. They just put her in that position. She breathes air. Look at this. She's just a squirrel. Come on, look. Look.
Oh. Crocodile. Where's crocodile?
Oh, jellyfish.
Where's the crocodile? Shark bridge. I want to go on that one.
That's a tour back there.
That's shark.
My vision was for the shark. Obviously, like the shark's history, but like it's on like 0.5. It's a little fish, and like
You're leaving me. Who's going with me? Oh. Looks like something too. Did it dive and it takes you down?
No, yeah, that's how they go in. In one of the skates. It's up here above it.
Wait, it actually brings you to the
No, that's how they go in the actual water. The cage like this.
showing you how it looks.
Yeah.
Go in.
No, no,
the shark.
Enjoys like the cage and everything.
Look, like that, like that. When they go down, it's like that.
This is actually go put you in the water.
Yeah. Ooh, I'm scared. Going in there. The cage. Shark or dinosaur? Oh. Oh, so this is where you can dive in the pool and swim with the sharks. Wow.
Wait, Leppy was here. Leppy was here. Yeah.
This is their area where they feed the sharks. You ran down there, alright? It's her blanket. Yeah, it smells bad. That's what tourism is. Here, oh, this is exit, so go that way.
Welcome to Shark Bridge. We're going to go over a couple rules before we start today. The first rule is that all guests must walk across the bridge on their own in a single file line. That means while on the bridge, no guest can be carried. There is no running, jumping, climbing, or rock slide on the bridge. And please throw away any food or drinks before entering. Okay, you guys are all set to walk across the bridge whenever you're ready.
I saw her somewhere. Downstairs, right?
You can look as long as you would like, take the nice view, take pictures, and then you can exit out that way. You can also take pictures on the bridge if you decide to go on.
Yeah. Of course we are going.
Okay, who wants to go
Nothing's gonna
first?
happen.
আমি যাচ্ছি না, আমি পিছনে না, দেখি last time. বলে দিতে পারবো না, বলতে।
Nothing's gonna happen. Wow, look at those sharks. It's actually scary. Who's moving it? Those sharks are ready to eat you. Look at them. Oh my god. If you fall, you're dead. Ooh, the bridge is actually rocking. It's not that sturdy, I think. Almost there, almost there, almost there. Yes, I did it. Can you take one picture? Oh. Okay. Yeah. Move করতেছিল কিন্তু it was shaking.
অনেকগুলো shot, মনে হয়
Shaking. go because they would have been scared.
I don't think. Honeymoon or something.
It was like shaking the bridge.
What the hell?
But look, they have. Look how many nets they have.
Yeah, they should look. They have a metal ball. It's not gonna.
You know,
There's so
it
many
moves.
safety stuff. तुम्हें zip line किन्ने करो सब बोला है.
Who wanted to do zip line?
And next time कल आवे किन्ने तो zip line करा था. Okay, then we're done here.
That's it? No, there's more, isn't it? If we fell, we would have been this one's food, that one's food. Oh, it's a
Safety और अच्छे और आपने.
Yeah.
So safety stuff.
Yeah. You can swim actually. You wanna go? Swim? Rajiv, you can go. You know how to swim. এখন বুক দিতে পারবে এটা আগে থেকে বুক দিতে হবে না
Express lane নিতে বেঁধে যাও.
Let me see a magnet. My fridge is full of magnets. Do you see magnets? What magnets they have? Enter Aquarium. I think I'll get this. I want you to buy this off. And that's how Aquarium ends. Mommy's not. Huh? Okay, come on. Oh, okay. I think I got what I liked. No, this is good. Where are you guys? Oh, shark. I mean, me too. I got it. How much are these? And these? What is that? Hat? We already got a magnet for us to remember we came here. Mommy. Lights up. No? Chalo. এটা দেখার জন্য একটু আসছিলাম. I wanted to see this. I wanted to see this. Jingling stuff. Santa plates, wind chimes. Why do you always do that? When you walk, you push the camera all like that? Wait, don't use cup. Look at this. Is this it?
This is how you get down.
That's it, again.
That's it?
Yeah.
There's no dolphins?
There's no dolphins. There's no dolphins.
Mommy.
Hold you? Oh. You know, I guess we are done here. So we are waiting to purchase our pictures. What are we waiting for? Look. Rabbi.
That's us. We were up there. That's mommy. That's mommy.
Alright, you photos.
There's mommy. Yeah, that's mommy. There's us. There's all of us.
You can find these pictures on my Facebook if you want to see them.
I'm seeing it on the big screen. Now we're over there.
You want to edit this for you? Alright, now you can see all of your photos. Here's your photo.
They're us.
Okay.
That's us.
So we have a couple different package options. Okay. That's the only ones? Sorry? That's the only ones and that's it? Those are all your
Look at
photos.
me.
Can I see one too?
Look at me. Why don't you go? Okay, go.
Since the waterfront was right next to the aquarium, we went for a walk and decided to spend a little time out in the nature.
You're welcome, Rabbi. You're welcome, Rabbi. You're welcome, Rabbi. Welcome, Aya. I'm sorry, I didn't even ask it. This is peaceful. I like this place. Did you enjoy? Okay. So this is Oceana Entertainment bringing you Rabbi's birthday adventure at Adventure Aquarium. If you like my videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
Can you stop swimming and come here? Why would you use juices? Why would you use juices? You're flying.
You're leaving me? How are you leaving me? Where do you want to eat? Yeah, you better be careful from these bugs. Look at this bug. step on it. It's not bugging us, but we should get out of here. It's coming toward us. There's my baby from Guatemala. No, you're what? Silly.
If you want to see more of my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and hit the bell button. Bye, I'll see you on my next video.